Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the background on your Zoom app. Select new meeting, and then you are going to select video, select the adjust background and effects, and it's going to bring you here, and you can select just like a background here. You can also add in more backgrounds here as well from your files. You can even add in a video like so. But that is it, super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It would mean a lot to me. That is it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I appreciate it so much. Goodbye.